Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a common oil leak from one of the cylinder head hex bolts on a Honda S2000. This oil leak happens to the hex bolt located directly in the center of the cylinder head and is caused by a failed rubber O-ring. When that O-ring fails, you'll notice oil slowly seeping down the front of the cylinder head like this. The first thing you want to do is use an 8mm hex drive to loosen the bolt until the failed O-ring is visible. Do not completely loosen or remove the bolt, otherwise you're going to have a really bad time. Once the failed O-ring is visible, you'll need to remove it. I'm using a pick here, but you can use anything to remove it. It should be pretty brittle at this point. Now you want to install the new O-ring. Apply a light layer of oil to the new O-ring and carefully slip it onto the hex bolt. Then use an 8mm hex drive to tighten the bolt. Torque it to 36 foot-pounds. The last thing you should do is clean up any of the old seeping oil so that you can monitor the new O-ring for any leaks. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button if you'd like to see more. As always, feel free to leave a comment down below with a video you'd like to see in the future.